Compatibility. Natively compatible with Smartthings, it works with most brands of Z-Wave home security hubs like Vera Plus, Vera Edge, Vera Lite, Homeseer, D-Link Staples Connect and PIR NV. Home security and automation. Detect motion of intruders for security, as well as trigger alerts to your home hub. Pet Immune. 55-pound pet immunity, eliminate false alarms from pets. Installation. Easy installation, not tools required, corner or flush mounting. Battery life. Up to 5-year battery life. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Works great. These are great motion sensors. Paired up very quickly with Smartthings Hub and work great. Very quick and responsive. Great battery life so far. Used to have all Zigbee sensor that would constantly disconnect, and these Z-Wave sensors are much better.